tired. I've just been doing a lot of stuff lately. Some circles under my eyes. Got up, took the day off from work, and I'm gonna spend the whole entire day working at the sawmill. At least that's the plan. I gotta take one of our cats to the vet at about, I gotta leave here at about 10:30. So, let's see. Well, the first thing I'm gonna do is unload all that wood that's on the trailer, then make it down to the sawmill, get things set up, and then probably have to come back and get the kitty and take her to the vet. She's okay, but she just needs some shots. Let's see. But I want to get going. I don't want to waste any time. Got to have a strong start to the day. All right. Okay, well, that was about the first hour to unload the lumber. I wanted to do that last night, but I was just way too tired. Best laid plans. Gonna take our kitty to the vet. Gonna take her to the vet now.
You just got your booster shot. How do you feel? How do you feel? Just got your booster shot, little goof. There you go. Do. Until it's basically clean and has fresh steel showing. Most important part. Where you want it sharp is at the tip. So I'm going to start it over again so I can time it. See how long it takes to sharpen a blade. If it takes 5 minutes, I think it's worth the time.
Chaos Farmers. You can now buy merch by checking out the description below. And if you want, you can also become a patron also by checking out the description below. Hey! You made it to the end of the video. There are a couple of things you could do now. You could click here. That's the best video for you. Or you could click here. That's a playlist that will show more videos like the one you just watched if you feel like binge watching Chaos Farm, and I know you probably do. A couple other things that you could do just to make this more complicated. You could hit the thumbs up button, or you could hit here, that's subscribe.